When it comes to simplicity, nothing beats the PreVent air intake system. PreVent protects all equipment, inside and out. From the largest data centers and industrial complexes around the world to businesses right on your block, PreVent keeps contaminants and debris out, helping your equipment last longer, reducing maintenance costs, and slicing electric bills, while withstanding the most extreme indoor and outdoor conditions. Our custom-fitted PreVent filters are custom designed to fit the exact perimeter of any air intake. They're easy to install too. Simply snap them into place with our powerful Magnum-Mount magnets. No drilling needed. PreVent is simply easier to clean too, without downtime or even removing the filters. Plus, with fast turnaround, 60 years of exceptional service, and a team ready to lend support, measuring or ordering, it's easy to see why PreVent is simply better. Save time, labor, and money with the PreVent air intake filtration system by Permatron. Simply the best.